In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly migrate your website from Squarespace to WordPress. This process might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll guide you step by step to make it as easy as possible. Let's start by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you manage all the intricacies of your site. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate and select the website you wish to migrate. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on this will give you a variety of actions you can take, but what we're interested in can be found by clicking on Website. Under the Website section, look for an option labeled Import and Export Content. You're going to want to select the Export option. When you click on this, Squarespace will ask what platform you're migrating to. In this case, choose WordPress from the available options, since that's where you're headed. At this stage, you will need to specify what content you're exporting. Select Blog, as this will allow you to export all your posts effectively. After making your selections, click Export and give it a moment. The time it takes will depend on the size of your content, but it's typically pretty quick. Be patient as the system processes your request, and once it's finished, you'll see an option to download an XML file. Go ahead and download this file to a convenient location on your computer. You'll need it in just a moment. Next, make your way over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic will happen as you bring your site over to a new home. Once you're in, hover your cursor over the Tools menu on the left-hand side. From the drop-down, select the Import option. Now scroll down until you find Squarespace listed among other platforms. With a quick click, you're almost ready to complete the migration. It's time to upload the XML file you downloaded earlier. Click Choose File to locate and select your exported content, then click Upload. The software will take it from there, transferring your blog content from the XML file into your WordPress site. This process can take a bit of time, so grab a cup of coffee and relax while your content makes its journey. Once the upload process is complete, your website is now successfully migrated from Squarespace to WordPress. It's a great opportunity to explore WordPress's extensive customization options to enhance your site further and make it truly stand out. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the migration process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging on your new platform.